Welcome to our guide on fixing common login issues in Star Citizen. Whether you're new or a seasoned player, we've all faced these pesky problems. Let's troubleshoot together. First, let's look at some common error messages you might encounter. Understanding these can save you time and frustration. Next, make sure your system meets the requirements needed to run Star Citizen smoothly. Here's what you need to check. Sometimes files may become corrupted. Verifying game files through the launcher can help fix this. A stable internet connection is crucial. Double-check your firewall settings to ensure Star Citizen can connect without issues. Having up-to-date graphics drivers can greatly improve performance. Let's make sure everything is up to date. If you're facing regional restrictions, a VPN could be a helpful workaround to access the game. As a last resort, consider reinstalling the game. This can often resolve stubborn issues. Don't forget that the Star Citizen community is a fantastic resource. Forums can provide insight and solutions. Remember, troubleshooting can be a process. Stay patient and don't hesitate to seek help when needed. Happy flying!